Welcome to another Celica video, and in this video I'm going to try sort this out. Well, in the previous video I failed to fix the parking brake, and I'm suspecting the cable. Now I found out since then that I should be able to change the cable without having to drop the petrol tank, but that's not the focus of this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try see if I can straighten this out, make it look a bit less unsightly. And to that end, I'll need to get the front bumper off, or get this side of the front bumper off. I think it's just nuts and bolts and screws really. So I've popped the bonnet. Let's have a look. I've had a quick look. Yeah, I can see there's at the top is three bolts. Just put that down for now. And let's see what's at the back. Is there anything at the back? Yeah, one there. It's the only one I can see. Right at the top of the wing, just above the door hinge. And probably something underneath. Yep, there's a couple underneath. And I'll need to get the wheel arch liner off as well. A bit looks of it, and with this flat tire it'd be a bit difficult to jack it up, but yeah, I'll get it sorted one way or another. So I think it's time to get some tools out of the shed and make a start on tearing this all down. Now the wheel's off, can start have a go at tearing down. I think I will have a go at this wheel arch. Now I think, although I could be wrong, they're 10 mils. Yeah, they're all 10 mils. Look, like I can even do that one by hand. Yeah, it's just 10mm screws and a few crosshead screws. I've got a suitable screwdriver here. This one doubles as a double-ended one, so I can either have flat blade or crosshead screws. Now this one, look, it's actually a Japanese screwdriver, and there is a different type of crosshead besides positive Phillips called JIS. And there you go. Obviously, it being a Japanese car, it's got JIS screws. So I'll just get this wheel arch liner off and I'll come back to you. So after pulling out loads of screws, I managed to free off the front part of the wheel arch. There's no way of getting this from behind, so the wing has to come off because of the screenwash bottle. It's probably what saved it from being dented any further. And I don't know if I'll be able to separate this bumper. I'll have a go, see if it pops out, which you usually do with some wings, but I'm not sure exactly how it's secured to. How the bumper's secured to the wing, and this indicator might have to come out, so that's gonna be more work. I'll have to see if I can probably have to pop up these headlights to get access to any fittings. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be a wing off job. Right, I think I know how to set this indicator off. I think it's this screw. And there we go, that's screw out, so this indicator comes out. There we go, simple as. So I'll get this disconnected, and then we've got now we've got a clearer picture now of how to separate this bumper cover. So I'll buzz these off with the impact, and then we should be a bit closer to sorting this wing out. So I've pulled off quite a few more bolts, and I think, I should say screws, there might be enough room for me to start getting this wing off. So you've seen all the bolts. There's 3 at the top, 1 there, 2 down there, and then these 2. Like I said, I should be able to cheat myself enough room to pull that off. So let's see if that's going to work. Right, I don't think you can see it. There's another bolt back there, which is going to be awkward to get to. Right, I think you can see it better from that angle. I've got to find a way of getting that out. But once that's out, the wing should come off. Well, I might just cheat myself enough room to get to the bolt and have to take this out completely. There's something stopping it, I'm not sure what, but if I've got this right, let's have a look where I'm going to. I'll just put you guys down somewhere. Let's have a look. I'll put you on this chair. Let's see if this wing's going to come off. It should come off. There's nothing holding it on. So near yet so far. Oh yeah, I think it's just about 3. There's definitely nothing holding it on. Come on, there we go. And I just need to let's see, disconnect this side repeater, or maybe but aside from the side repeater it's off, I'll pull that side repeater off camera, and then we can have a closer look at this wing. So with the wing off, you can see where it's been dented and this has been deformed. I'll try heat gun, but I think I've had a bit of deformation here, but I can't tell. Yep, it's difficult. Yeah. Then this panel's been tweaked as well, but it might be an idea to straighten the wing out, and then we'll have a better idea of where it should lie. But then the structure of this car is quite good for 34-year-old, and this wing's in a decent shape. So, right, I think what I should best do is try pushing that back out. So, 10 times easier with the wing off.
Many hours later.
Well, I've got most of it buttoned up, and it's not perfect. I'm not a panel beater, but it's a step in the right direction. It looks a bit better than just an unsightly dent. Although they could argue it's hardly any better, but I don't care. Like I says, it's better, in my eyes, it's better than it was, and that's all that matters. So I'm going to call this a fairly successful video. I've still got a bit of trim to put back, so that's the end of this video, and hopefully the next Celica video I'll be doing the handbrake cable. In fact, while I'm here, I could probably show other side. Now, the reason I didn't do the handbrake cable is because I don't get paid till just yet, and obviously I need to turn the car around, but I needed to get this sorted while it was still accessible. So I'll just have a look, see where the handbrake cable's going. Right, so you can see where it goes, and it goes past, it just snakes past the petrol tank, then underneath the car, and it joins up with the parking brake equaliser. So that's a job for another day. Hope you enjoyed this video. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.